Hello everyone, welcome to All Lite Food, and in this video I'm going to share with you all why we should eat brown rice, how much brown rice is good for our health, and why we should choose brown rice over white rice. So keep watching the video. Rice has been a staple food for more than half of the world for thousands of years. There are around 40 varieties all over the world and more than 6,000 varieties of rice found only in India. Rice is a seed of a type of grass species and is a grain. Rice is considered a significant source of carbohydrates as a part of human diet. From outside to inside, the layer of rice consists of the outer hull, which is the inedible fibrous shell of the rice kernel, and then the barn. Just underneath the fibrous shell is the outer layer of the edible rice kernel. The color is brown or red and contains vitamins, minerals, oil, and protein. The third layer is the endospore, which is a proper rice, the large white rice grain, and mainly contains starch. And the final layer is the germ, which is tiny and is also known as the embryo. This can sprout into a new plant if germinated. The germ is very nutritious but is removed during the milling, giving the rice its shape. Brown rice is a whole grain that has the barn and the germ intact. Also known as unpolished rice, brown rice is collected when the outer hull is removed by winnowing. Brown rice is considered healthy because of its fibrous filled outer bran and the germ that contains all the necessary nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, oils, and proteins. The germ mainly contains water-soluble vitamins like vitamin B1, the thiamine, the vitamin B6, and the fat-soluble vitamin E. Also a good source of minerals like iron and magnesium. So the main nutrients in brown rice are the carbohydrates, which is an essential macronutrient that converts into glucose in our body to produce energy to function. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy in our body. And the next is the protein. Proteins are also macronutrient made up of amino acid, the building blocks, and are essential for building the muscle mass and provide structural support to the cells. The bran of the brown rice is good source of fat, serving around 2 grams of fats in 1 cup of cooked brown rice. Vitamin B1 in the brown rice helps the body to generate energy from the nutrients and helps in the growth, development, and function of the cells. Our body gets all the required amount of thiamine or the vitamin 1 from the food. Apart from thiamine, brown rice is also a good source of vitamin B3 and vitamin B6. Both of them helps to keep the body healthy and builds a strong immune system. Brown rice also contains mineral like the magnesium, which helps in the functions of muscles and nerves, also regulates the blood pressure and supports the immune system. One more mineral that brown rice contains is the iron. This mineral is found in body cells that helps to make the hemoglobin, which is a protein in the red blood cells. Brown rice also contains selenium, which is a stress mineral and a good source of antioxidants that fights oxidative stress, defends the body from diseases, and keeps us healthy. And finally, the brown rice is an excellent source of fibers. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is hard to digest. While the simple carb break down to sugar molecules, fibers cannot be broken down and passes undigested out of the body. 1 cup of long grain cooked brown rice contains 216 calories with 45 grams of carbohydrates. A cup of brown rice has 40 grams of starch and is absolute gluten-free grain. To make perfectly cooked brown rice, in a big saucepan, boil 3 cups of water. Wash 1 cup of brown rice grains and put them into the boiling water. Cover and cook on medium heat for 35 to 40 minutes. Do not drain the excess water to retain all the nutrients. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Not draining the water can make the rice a little sticky. Just adjust the water while cooking to make it perfect and nutritious. Brown rice is a healthy rice. Substituting it with white rice for your everyday meal can be a great idea, especially where rice is consumed as a staple. But studies show that excess fiber consumption can cause stomach bloating and constipation. Having half to 1 cup of cooked brown rice is recommended by the experts. Brown rice is a whole grain rich in proteins, thiamines, calcium, magnesium, fiber, and potassium. Brown rice is gluten-free, loaded with fibers, thus is more filling and helps in weight loss. Brown rice promotes good digestion and boosts metabolism to burn fat. It helps to control the blood sugar level and lowers LDL or the bad cholesterol. It contains antioxidant properties, helps to increase immunity and increase cardiovascular health. It helps to keep the bones healthy and maintains a healthy bowel function. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure the video was a bit informative. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com. And you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.